So now we are moving forward. Now I am just showing you some theoretical knowledge regarding the website. So Web of Science previously it was Institute of Scientific Information, ISI. That's why people will ask you, do you have any paper indexed in ISI? You will say, yeah, this is the Web of Science. This is also ISI. It is also called Thomson Reuters. Now it is Clarified Analytics. Different times it use different name. So there are many categories. Number one is Science Citation Index. Okay, Science Citation Index expanded, and also Social Science Citation Index. And I said you already, third category is ESCI, Emerging Source Citation. And these are the links of the website already we practice. And in the webs, and also you can check them from Scopus, Scimago Journal Ranking. And if it is a conference, then for computer science, electrical, and other fields, they also prefer to submit papers in conference. So there is another portal, core ranking portal. Maybe it is administered by Australia. Maybe government website is a very trusted website. You can put the name of the conference and you will see there is a core rank, A rank, A star rank, B rank. So A star rank conference is the best conference. They have also conference ranking. Okay, you can check the conference there. And when you are checking, just for example, you are checking journals. So what you have to see? Number one, you have to see the impact factor of the journal. Can you see the last time when we are searching on another journal, like we have searched 2 Indian journal, but the first one it was in Scopus, second one was not in Web of Science, the second one was not available. And see, in the journal profile, there are 2 indicators, journal impact factors and also journal citation index. So indicator. So what is journal impact factor? This is, I can say, this is the indicator whether a journal is how much is good or bad, or if the impact factor is high, it generally considers a good journal. Okay. Journal impact factor JIF is calculated by Clarified Analytics. JIF is the average of the sum of the citations received in a given year or to a journal's previous 2 years of publication. Just for example, see the equation, YER, C citations, A articles, and if you see the equation, you will see citations of a specific year. Just for example, I am thinking about 2023. So you have to calculate the citations in 2000 Y-1, that means 2022 and 2021. Okay, and then number of articles published in 2022 and 2021, previous 2 years. So then if I see the example, just for example, we are trying to calculate 2014 journal impact factor of a journal in 2014, then you have to do it like this. And if I show you an example, just for example, journal of a specific journal, I don't know the direct name of the journal, but here is the example. Okay, so in 2013, they published items, just for example, this number, and also 2022 this number, and they have also citation count, and finally they calculated. I think it is not a serious issue, but you can calculate by yourself as well. And also we already show it, journal citation reports are there, and we also, there is another example, just another example I showed here. And if you click on the profile, you will see these things. Okay, and also journal citation impact factor. Okay, so and the journal Scimago ranking, what is this? This is a journal rank is based on the concept of the transfer of prestigious between journal via their citation links, drawing on a similar approach to Google PageRank algorithm. The thing is that the HTBR is calculated in using this equation, the average number of weighted citations received in a year divided by the number of documents published in previous 3 years. Okay, so this is the JR. Okay, SJR calculation. So in the Scimago journal ranking, just again I wanted to show you. Let's go there. Just see, if I just journal ranked a specific, I want to see a specific area. Just for example, I am arts and humanities. and I wanted to see, just for example, in history, I want to see, just can you see? There are HTBR, this is ranking, okay? And based on it, the journal are categorized in different Q4, see? And this is Q1. That means Q1, the journal who is okay, contains more HTBR value, it is in Q1, and the less HTBR value, this is in Q4. Do you understand? Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this is one value. Another indicator is SNP. It is called source normalized impact per paper. For the name, we can clearly understand that source normalized impact per paper measures actual citation received relative to the citation expected for the serial subject field. So in a specific field, it is calculated by equation. I don't want to go for details. Okay, and we already show you in the Scopus website. Am I right? In the Scopus website, if you just for example click on a specific journal, okay, I am clicking on a specific journal, just for example this one, okay, and after clicking on it, see there are few indicators. Number one, already I show you said you SJR and also SNP. Okay, so this is the another indicator, and there are other ranking as well. Just for example, side score, it calculates in different using different equation. I don't want to go details. Okay, no need. And also you can check ACE index of a journal. So what is ACE index? Expressed the journal number of articles that have received at least a citation. So from an example, it will be clear. It quantifies both journal scientific productivity and scientific impact, and it is also applicable to scientists or countries. ACE index can be also for the journal and also for the author. Let's show you. Just for example, one author, he has just for example 33 article. Among 33, 18 of the articles are cited at least 18 times. Then his ACE index will be 18. Do you understand the calculation? Let's see an example. Just for example, in the Saibago journal ranking, there is one indicator, ACE index. See this one, ACE index. The journal which has more ACE index, this is signifies that this is a good journal. Okay, as well. This is another indicator, and ACE index can be also for the author as well. Can you see Professor Saidur Rahman? He is one of the chief advisors of BRBD and as well as B Research World Forum. And see, his total number of citations is more than 65,000. But see, here his ACE index is 132. What do you mean by that? 132 research article cited 132 times. It is a very big example. Let's show you a small example. Just for example, when I was giving lecture in 2020, the same course in Bengali, how to become a researcher, Gobeshok Hossain lecture series is available in YouTube channel. That time, my citation was only 17 and ACE index was 3. What do you mean by that? ACE index 3? That means, see, that time my paper cited maximum 5, first paper 5, second paper 3, and third paper 3. So my ACE index was 3. The indication is clear to you? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it is easy to demonstrate the author whose citation is less. Am I right? Because if I want to count the ACE index of Professor Saidur Rahman, then I need to see 132 papers. Okay, and it is very hard, not easy. So okay, you can explore by yourself. And what is your expectation in 2023? What will be my citation and what will be my ACE index? Just guess. Guess it. What is your assumption? Anyone? Make an assumption.
10.
Nearly 50.
This one 50 and this one ACE index
10.
Okay, your expectation, maybe in some cases, the first cases, I already received 333 citations, alhamdulillah. And it is, I think, increasing exponentially. Am I right? And ACE index is not 10, 9. That means if I show you practically, you will see it's, I know you already understand it. So I don't need to show you, but for clarification, ACE index 10 means 9 means that, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 papers. This is also 10 number paper. But the thing is that if 10 papers receive 10, at least 10 citation, then my item index will be, ACE index will be how much? 10. Am I right? 10 papers at least receive 10 citation. Okay. And item 10 index, that means the number of papers which receives more than 10 citation. That's, for example, this is 7. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I right? Understand? So everything is clear. I think crystal clear. I tried to make it clear to you so that in future you will be, inshallah, okay, boss of this topic. Okay.